Do you ever get the feeling that the tech in your hands is secretly holding you back? That no matter how hard you try, your footage just looks like everyone else's? It is a frustrating loop. You buy a drone, you pack your bags, you head out to the most beautiful location on Earth, and yet, when you look at the screen, the colors are flat, the shadows are muddy, and the highlights are blown out. You are constantly fighting the dynamic range, swapping physical filters in the wind, and stressing over that tiny blinking battery icon. But what if the game was about to change completely? What if the barrier between amateur travel videos and cinema-grade filmmaking was about to dissolve into a device so light it literally sits in the palm of your hand? We are standing on the edge of a massive shift in aerial technology, and the rumors floating around the industry's inner circles are pointing to something absolutely mind-blowing. Imagine a world where you never have to register your drone with the authorities, yet you possess the raw imaging power of a professional Hollywood rig. The whispers from the supply chain are getting louder, and they all point to one name, the DJI Mini 6 Pro. This is not just a minor refresh or a lazy spec bump. This is a complete rewriting of what is physically possible under the critical weight limit. For years, content creators have accepted the compromise. If you want a lightweight drone, you accept a smaller sensor, worse low-light performance, and limited flight time. If you want professional quality, you carry a heavy backpack, pay thousands of dollars, and deal with complex aviation laws. But the upcoming leaks suggest that DJI is about to shatter this compromise once and for all. Let us talk about the heart of any camera, the sensor. The rumor mill is buzzing with reports that DJI is planning to squeeze a massive, stacked 1-inch sensor into this tiny frame. If you understand camera tech, you know how insane this is. A stacked sensor does not just capture more light, it processes data at lightning speed, virtually eliminating rolling shutter distortion. That means no more jello effect when you pan quickly across a landscape, and no more warped vertical lines when tracking fast-moving subjects. But it goes deeper. The larger surface area of a 1-inch sensor allows for incredible low-light performance, turning pitch-black landscapes into clean, detailed evening masterpieces. Imagine capturing the neon glow of a city at midnight or the subtle colors of a sunset without that distracting digital noise ruining your shot. But a massive sensor is useless without the right glass in front of it. And this is where the leaks get truly unbelievable. Word is that DJI is introducing a mechanical variable aperture to the Mini series. Historically, mini drones have been locked to a fixed aperture, forcing you to carry a wallet full of physical ND filters and land your drone every time the